It's time for a burning spring! Hello and welcome to Wednesday. So today is pretty hot. Yeah. I went to class today. We went on a tangent in my Texas government class. We went on a tangent about the show Designated Survivor. And it boiled down, the reason why we were talking about it is because it's basically, it shows what happens when you severely disrupt the line of succession. And for those of you who don't know, the line of succession is like, let's say the president is assassinated, the person who takes his place is the vice president. If he gets assassinated, then it's the Speaker of the House, don't quote me on that part, and if they don't have to be assassinated, they could just like die of natural causes while in office. There was one president way back, I think in the early 1800s, there was a president who was elected and he was only in it for a month, and so his vice president basically got a full term as president. He served 3 years and 11 months. What's his name? I didn't write it down because I didn't think it was necessary. But yeah, basically, Designated Survivors, like there's the State of the Union address that the president gives, and there's always one or two department secretaries or head of departments that stay behind, just in case something happens. Well, in Designated Survivor, that thing happens, and like the building where the State of the Union address is being given like blows up, and so that only like either secretary, department secretary, department head, or whatever, I forget the titles. Basically, he's the last person in the line of succession, so he becomes the president. And I saw like half of the first episode, and I was like, this is an intriguing premise, I should watch this sometime, and I never did. So yeah. And then in my spreadsheets class, I had one hell of a time getting formulas put in correctly, because like I would get them confused, and it's like we're learning how to do formulas that incorporate like an if function, so it's like average ifs or count ifs. Basically, it's like, here's the formula we eventually want to calculate, but first here are the requirements. And then it calculates it all out. And I had a lot of problems, because there's regular functions, there's regular ifs functions, and then there's what's called database functions. And you know, there's certain instances where you use database functions, certain instances where you use ifs, and you can sometimes swap between the two. Yeah, it was a real pain, and like I got the two mixed up quite a few times. I also, one time I thought it was, the function I was using was stupid. It turns out I misspelt France. I forgot the R. That was real upsetting. I should have had some spaghetti. Why did I say that? You know, you have those things and you say a quip, or like a witty line, and then afterwards you're like, why did I say that? That wasn't that funny. But yeah. So what's happening right now? Well, I decided to record this a little bit, and then I'm going to take out the SD card and dump the past few days' footage onto my external, and then get that all edited and uploaded. And I've noticed that it's just, when it comes to daily vlogs, because, I'll be totally honest, I don't think anybody's watching this. I don't have the view numbers. I mean, sometimes somebody will like watch a vlog or two, and that's because I'm like, hey, I need your input on this, and then they'll go watch it. But yeah, I just do this in batches because it's just easier for me to record a few days and then edit and upload them all in a batch instead of doing like one every single day, because some days you just can't edit a vlog. But you can edit and schedule a bunch of videos. See yesterday's vlog about that. If you stumbled upon this and you're curious what I was referencing, do that. Yeah. I was like reevaluating all the rules that I set for this vlog, and I realized that the whole record a vlog and then edit it the same day and then upload it the next day, it's just kind of, it's not my style. That sounds really dumb, but it really is, and I just, you know, prefer, you know, doing, like, just having, like, recording the vlog in a batch and then edit it. That's just better for me. So yeah. What's gonna happen? Well, like I just said, I'm gonna edit vlogs and I'm gonna upload them, and then I'm going to look at all the videos that I have lined up. I've got videos lined up all throughout the rest of this month, the rest of this month, bleh. And then I'm going, and I also have content for the next, for the first 2 weeks of April, and I might go downstairs and record some more. I might not. I might chill, be like, whoa now, and yeah. But I will be working on some physics homework, so that will be fun. So yeah. All right. Later. Yep, I'm getting vlogs edited, set day 24 to export, and then I've got a few more days to edit, and then I'll just upload the whole batch tonight, or tomorrow. It really depends. So, what happened since the last clip? Well, I went and tutored a student in physics. That was about an hour and 15 minutes or so. And then I came home, had dinner. Dinner didn't really set right with my stomach, and that's very unfortunate. But yeah, now I am getting the vlogs done. Oh, also I got a bunch of stuff down from my attic, and I found quite a bit of things that I'd take with me to college. Also, I just noticed something. You probably like barely see it, but the desktop and like this vlog, and I think a few other vlogs, is very different from the. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. Let me just switch to a new desktop. To this, it's a lot more organized. I've got shortcuts here, I've got miscellaneous folders here, miscellaneous files here, and then I've got my production, well these are my production stuff. This is GIMP, Virtual Dub, and Audacity, and VLC Portable is just so I can watch movies and stuff on my laptop. Because Windows 10 doesn't have a native DVD driver. You have to like pay for it for like $15. It's really stupid. but yeah, I'm thinking about, like, I've got like this massive folders, and I'm thinking about alphabetizing this, and then alphabetizing this, and this. Basically just something to kind of keep me busy, I guess, while the video exports. So yeah. What's happening tonight? Well, I'm gonna start reading a little bit of this, and also get my book prepared for self-publishing. That's gonna be interesting. And then when that's done, it'll take a while for it to, you know, be fully processed and to get a cover art. But once that's done, I'll start promoting it. I don't know how, but I will. So yeah. And once all these vlogs are done, I'm gonna start. I'm gonna make a post on Facebook and Twitter, being like, "Hey, do you got a case of the Wednesday nights and not know what to watch? Watch these videos." Yeah. But yeah. I think, no, it came out this morning. I was like, I think Terrible Podcast comes out tonight. No, it came out this morning at like 9. So, yeah. I think that's all I have for tonight. There's not really much else to say. Today's just kind of been... Today has been quite the boring day. Part 2. Because I think there was already quite the boring day. So, yeah. I'll see you guys tomorrow.